so good
Hello,
to see
hello.
you. We're having a red-green moment.
Well, you know, somebody said free shipping and handling, and let's kick off the holidays, so we're in.
Something to celebrate about. It's so
Yes.
true. I have been dying to present this one because, I mean, first of all, my buddy David is you know, a mentor of mine here who I absolutely adore. But the fact that he has brought some of his iconic Christmas holiday recipes in collaboration with Tara to bring you these amazing ornaments. It's a set of 4 of David's recipe ornaments for $19.98. This is the first day we've ever presented this one with free shipping and handling as well. 3 easy payments of $6.66 can bring home all 4 of the ornaments and the matching box for this incredible price. This is amazing. You're saving over $10 tonight, and you're getting all 4 of them. These are this is it. This is all you need.
Isn't this great? It's all you need. You're absolutely right. So each one has a different colored ribbon, which is so nice. The front is going to be the same. It's going to have David's iconic Christmas tree. This was a pattern that his mother had that handed down to him that we kind of recreated and tweaked because it's no longer available. So I love the fact that you have hand-painted, hand-applied accents all the way down, and it's such a traditional tree, which is what I love about it. The recipe's right there on the backside, which is so great. When you're not using it as a recipe, you want to hang it as an ornament, you can, or you can slide that over, Steve, and this now becomes a place card holder, which is so fantastic. So this could be kind of that hostess gift for everybody who's kind of coming over and staying and leaving. They can take one with them, and they each have their own recipe on there, which we love. Right?
I mean, honestly,
how fun.
Bring these home, make the entire recipe collection, and then gift everyone something as they leave. I mean, it's fantastic. This is amazing ceramic, so it's nice and durable. And what you're getting is, let's talk about the recipes you're getting.
Let's do that.
Because you're getting, what did you have right over here?
So here I actually have our snowman party stew, and we made it right in front of here. So super easy recipes. Obviously, they have to fit on the ornament. So not a ton of steps and stages, but full of flavor. And look how we piped the little snowman mashed potatoes right on the top there. How stinking cute is that? Then, of course, we have our hot apple pie sipper. So I love having a nice warm beverage here. And again, all of the recipes, all of the ingredients, super easy, which is so great. So again, not a lot of steps and stages, super delicious, traditional. And then there it is, that beautiful apple pie sipper. That is scrumptious. Then next door to that, we have, of course, our Santa Claus sugar cookies, and this is just super fun to go ahead and decorate with maybe the grandkids, or maybe you guys always do a cookie exchange. What a fun way to give that ornament to the person who always hosts the cookie exchange, right?
Yes, please.
Love, love, love. And then last but not least, as Carol fondly said, our food stylist, these are so stinking cute. Here are our sweet little Christmas mice truffles. Wait, hold on. Look, look. There's the little truffle. It's a little cherry with the tail on the bottom, little almonds for the head, and then your little chocolate truffle. Look at those. Are these not adorable? So 4 great fun recipes in kind of all of the different categories. $5 a gift, which is fantastic. It incorporates everything we love from Temp-tations, the tradition of an ornament, great recipes, and then of course you can use them as place card holders too.
I mean, this is great.
Win, win, win.
Yeah, wins all across the board. I mean, essentially you're getting like a whole little like recipe collection here with these incredible ornaments that also double as Tara was saying, a place card holder, and or maybe you're gonna have a buffet or a food display. This is an amazing way for you to say what exactly that item is right there so that people don't have to ask you, and it's all done right there, right?
Love that, love that too. Yeah, I mean, super smart for a buffet.
Cute, these are so cool.
What I love about these, again, is you have the tradition of that great Christmas tree. You have the incorporation of our great recipes. You know, a lot of times we'll always say, make a recipe and then leave the dish behind. Well, now you have a great ornament or a sit-about, or again, a place card holder where you can break these up into 4 different gifts and really share the tradition of not only Temp-tations, but also our great recipes there. Look at how great that is.
Oh my goodness, so smart. So you're getting, of course, the stew, the sipper, the cookies, the truffles. I mean, this is a holiday feast waiting to happen for $19.98, 3 easy payments of $6.66. That amazing Temp-tations, amazing ceramic that we love so much. Tara, you don't go too far.
Oh no, I'll be back
later on in the show, right?
We're gonna light it up. I'll see you in a little bit.
Wonderful. Tara's actually joining us with something absolutely